All right, check out the lights, guys. We're gonna take a look at them. You guys can see right now we have them at certain colors. You guys can see we're gonna change the color. All right, today we're gonna bring some beautiful outdoor solar lights, and these are awesome little lights. If you guys notice, there's two smaller lights and then there's a large light right here, right? This is the actual controller where it's gonna actually control all the light functions. If you guys notice in the back, there is a charging station for a micro USB connection that you connect in there. So if you don't have enough charge throughout the day, you can always plug in a battery or plug in against the wall. If you're having a party or something, you need to fully charge, you can come in there. Now, the two modules that are connected, they're tether end. You cannot remove them, right? And then the off and on button, and also changes the actual color on the actual system. So you go push the button, but they won't turn on if you have any kind of reflection because it has a night to day mode. So the main module that's in the center, if you guys can see it, I am able to control the lighting. If you guys can see it, just changes. So if you want like a rainbow settings on your yard, this is a perfect thing. But if you want certain solid lights, you can change the solid lights on it. This is waterproof. This is rated for outdoors. It's great for snow, rain, and any kind of weather out there. So they give you two options. They give you the stakes, or you can mount them to the actual walls. Now, the functions that I like, I'm gonna keep pushing the button so you can see the different colors. You could get solid RGB lighting that you want, or you could change them into a rainbow modes. All right, so we're just going to go through all the functions that you can see, but these look great for outdoors. Now that the holidays are coming down, you want to make sure that you want to make it look like a Halloween theme. You could change it into a red or orange kind of color. Christmas is coming over, you want to change it to green or any kind of solid white. It depends on what you want to highlight. These lights they will last you throughout the whole day because there's 3 solar panels that are included on every single top of it. And let's go ahead and turn on the light. I want you to see how much it highlights on the trees. It's super dark out here. So let's change the color. Okay, we change it purple. Purple. Let's change the color again. Blue. This is simple white. Here we have red. Green.